don't you wish that you could just set it and forget it? What if you could just sit back and relax and let the world's best AI stock trading assistant do all the hard work for you, right? That's what I say about this, right? It does all the hard work for you. It finds incredible trades for you. That way you can set it and forget it. Now, I've been trading for 15 years. I know I've traded at least 5,000 times and hundreds of names of stock. And I'll tell you, OVTLYR showed me the data that I had been missing. And as soon as I added OVTLYR to my results, they massively improved. These are my results for the second half of last year, 48.77% return. Once I nailed down exactly how I was going to start using OVTLYR, my results just skyrocketed, right? And so we're looking at 48.77% return for me on only 24 trades.